Dreaming of having your gig showcased front and center on Fiverr's homepage? In this video, I'll reveal the strategies that can increase your chances of getting featured and reaching thousands of potential clients. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. While there's no guaranteed formula for landing on Fiverr's homepage, there are proven strategies that can significantly increase your visibility and put you in the running for these coveted spots. Let's explore what really works. First and foremost, focus on delivering exceptional quality. Fiverr's algorithm favors sellers with outstanding ratings, quick response times, and high customer satisfaction. Maintain a 4.8+ star rating across all your orders and respond to messages within a few hours. Create visually stunning gig presentations. Homepage featured gigs typically have professional-looking gallery images, engaging video presentations, and clean, well-designed gig pages. Invest in high-quality visuals that immediately grab attention. Maintain impeccable performance metrics. This includes on-time delivery, low order cancellation rates, and high client satisfaction. Fiverr's system monitors these metrics closely when selecting sellers for premium placement opportunities. A crucial pro tip: specialize in trending services and create unique, in-demand gig offerings. Fiverr often features gigs that align with current market trends and seasonal demands. Keep your services fresh and relevant to what buyers are currently searching for. Build a strong portfolio of positive reviews, particularly from well-established buyers. The quality and quantity of your reviews matter significantly. Aim to consistently deliver work that earns you detailed, glowing testimonials. While there's no magic button for homepage placement, following these strategies will dramatically improve your visibility and put you in the best possible position for featuring. If these tips help you elevate your Fiverr presence, please give this video a like. What's your best tip for maintaining high client satisfaction? Share your secret in the comments below. To start creating gigs that stand out, subscribe for our next video on how to create a gig on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.